Okay, this is the male reproductive system in the cat. What I have done here is I've exposed the testicle out of the scrotal sac, which you see here is the scrotal sac, and now we have the testicle outside of it. We can see that the testicle had a lot of fibrous connective tissue around it, and we can see parts of the epididymis. Okay, but this cord here is the spermatic cord, and that has the nerve, artery, vein, and the lymphatic vessel in it. And so this is going to be going through the abdominal wall, and one of the components of it, the ductus deferens here that you see, you can prove that this is it because you can see it moving. You can prove that is the continuation to bring the sperm in to join the urethra. So this is the bladder. So we can see here that this tube here, continuation is coming into the urethra. So this is joining the urethra here. Okay. Not that. This is joining the urethra. Okay, you can see that posteriorly. This is joining this. And also, I was able to tease out at least the artery here from the spermatic cord. And you can see here the testicular artery coming here along the wall. I know it's this, and I broke it, but it would have been coming off the abdominal aorta. You know that's the abdominal aorta, and that's the inferior vena cava. So also, we were able to expose the penis, and just normally, you just see this little brown piece here. And I'm showing when you're looking at the cat, that's usually all that is exposed. It's just that little part, okay, right there. But you can see once we've taken it off, you can appreciate the whole length of the penis. And here's the deal, the bladder is way up here. So you know the urethra is traveling through all of this down through the end of the orifice, exiting the penis. All right. Thank you. And thank you, Kikiti. We appreciate you, buddy.